Hi, it's Lynn from LynnieCDesigns, and today I'm coming on to show you a version of this card that I made which uses the lovely Pretty Kitty stamp set, one of the petal pear textured embossing folders, which are just, they're two, they're lovely, but I'm using this one here, this fine one here. I've got, I'm using some of the watercolour pencils, the light Pool Party stamping blend, the Tailor Tag Punch. I shall use some of the iridescent sequins just to add a little bit of sparkle, Tuxedo Black ink, and one of the new colours, Highland Heather. I've just got it and I just had to create something with this colour, so let me put all of that out of the way and we can start creating. So I've got a top folding standard A6 card. This is the Highland Heather. I'm a purple girl and this is just delicious. I know that's going to be my favourite. I've got a layer, another layer there, that's the bit that I'm going to do the embossing on. I've got a strip of Whisper White for the inside. These are both the same size and they're cut half a centimetre shorter on two sides, so that's 10 centimetres by 14.4 centimetres. Two of those, and then I've got a scrap of Whisper White which I'm going to cut the punch bits out of. Now I will show you how I get 4 out of this bit of card just by angling it and making sure you're not wasting a lot. There's one. There's two. Turn that round and come back in the other side. I don't know whether that's in camera, but I try and get as much as I can. Very little wastage there, you can see. Throw that away. I'm going to do a little bit of stamping on those 4 bits. Put that tag punch away. I have already run through on the Big Shot the layer for the back, and I'm going to do a little bit of stamping on here as well. So these new ink pads flip like a compact, and I've already mounted the stamps on here. So just thought this was quite cute. I'm going to keep those kind of coming in from the side. Such a cheeky little thing. Now this is going to be happy birthday cards. I'm going to try and get that straight. Hoping I've done that right. Yes, look at that. Hope your birthday is just like you. And then that's that one. Last image here. There we go, that's very cute. And then the inside. wonderful. Hope your birthday is just like you, wonderful in every way. And then I think we are going to have this cheeky little kitty poking in from the bottom. So that is done, and I am going to now try and colour those in with the watercolour pencils, if I can find, there we are. Now what I do, I'm going to do these two the same, and I'm hoping this is in camera. I want these quite soft. I'm giving a little base of yellow to this one, and then I'm going to come in very pretty there. And because this is a little black cat, grey and black, I'm not going to colour off in between there. But you can see it's such a subtle, it just blends those colours. There's that watercolour. It's just, those pencils are just brilliant, and you can take time. Just keep spreading that colour, just diluting it a little bit. It's just brilliant. There we go. That butterfly black body, fabulous. That is wonderful. So that's coming together slowly. Now, to make these on the front stand out a little bit, I'm going to use this. Just highlight around the edge, and it gives very subtle, but I think it's lovely. And see, I'm not taking a lot of care, I'm just highlighting in between those bits. It just makes them stand out on that white. Very subtle. You can see that just gives a really nice. So, final piece. I just wanted to come in with this Highland Heather, just very quickly. Come around the edges. Oh, a little bit much there, but never mind. Nobody will ever know it's a new stamp pad, so it's going to be a bit juicy, and I'm rushing. This will just help this stand out a little bit. Ooh, I'm not sure I got dimensionals out. I've been away for a couple of days. We've just bought a caravan, which is very exciting. And been away testing it out. I didn't take any craft supplies with me. And we got back today and it's, I realised I haven't done a video to post out, so this has been done rather quickly, and I'm hoping I don't have the failure that I had before where it doesn't work. So let's put this card together. So a little bit of glue for the inside bit. Fabulous. And let's put dimensionals on the back of this piece. I guess if I was a little bit organised, I might put some twine or something. Fabulous. And then I'm going to put a couple of dimensionals on the back of each of these. Ooh. Fingers and thumbs trying to get this done so that my phone actually records it. Ooh. So what are we going to do? We are going to sew we want that one there, that one there, that one there, and that one there. So they are those, and then just finish off can do this. Bigger one. We don't want that one there. We want a little one. There we go. So a quick romp through. There'll be a link to my blog where all the details will be on. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again soon.